Good evening. This is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Information technology solutions company TTEC announced today that it's eyeing international markets. Speaking at its annual general meeting on Friday, CEO of TTEC, Christopher Record, said the company is exploring plans to expand outside Jamaica. But he says for now, the focus is still on building capacity and expertise.
So the intention is to expand internationally. Not very aggressively right now, and so that cash that you have sitting on there, we need some of it for that expansion, because going to international markets, you have to put your best foot out there, and we've been coached many times that you have to have an A team and the mindset going out there. You have to put your best, and so that is where some of that cash will be deployed. But yes, we are looking at international markets. Several meetings have been had with potential partners in North America already, and we continue to fine-tune those meetings before we make any pronouncements.
Mr. Record says while the company looks outwards, he is also ensuring that TTEC stays ahead of the game locally.
It's going to be very hard for a company doing exactly what we do to come in. So the wide breadth of services as a one-stop shop to come in and replace an IT department makes us a little unique. A lot of the organizations from outside are very linear focused. They may be super experts at IT security, that's one thing. Culturally, we don't buy like that. Culturally, we have preferred to come to a one-stop shop scenario.
The price of oil went down today. Oil for delivery in June ended the day selling for $71.38 a barrel. That's down 11 cents. Now, currency trading ended today with a US dollar selling for $126.42. The Canadian dollar went for $97.58, while the pound traded for $169.55. The euro is going for $149.88. The JSE index lost 974 points today, while the junior market index lost 57 points. Among the winners were Radio Jamaica, Siboney Group, Fosrich, Iron Rock Insurance Company, Caribbean Cement Company, Carreras, and Jamaica Stock Exchange. On the losing side were Paramount Trading, Derrimont Trading Company, Access Financial Services, Caribbean Producers Jamaica, GWest Corporation, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.